In this chapter, we're going to study analysis of output data. This starts with display existing output. Open an existing output file. Problem 4 output. Open. And then display it. We're now at the beginning of the output data. Most prominently, the first thing that appears is the total price of components. If price is a hurdle, better get it over right away. We'll go forward to Title 1. With Winbelt, analysis of belt conveyor output begins at the Optimization Action Plan at Title 1. This plan directs the user to problem areas and provides suggestions for quality improvement. Importantly, at this title is a caution. For these conditions, belt tension at take-up should exceed, and it gives the amount. We'll come back to that a little bit later at Title 7.6. But this caution is key in the examination of a new conveyor. The take-up tension should be correct to manage all the various requirements of the conveyor. These requirements are spelled out in the optimization plan. Cautions, the need for greater take-up. On this conveyor, there is a caution, and it gives a title number. Check breakaway requirements. These requirements may not be met. At Title 16, check pulley class or need for larger diameter. This is crucial. The need for heavy-duty class pulleys. The loading on the conveyor is such that there's a possible belt overflow from spillages and surges. And with the given high loading, there are some suggestions on how best to manage these. These are key. This is key information available at Title 1, the optimization plan. This is the plan from which the designer can go forward. Going forward, click forward. We're at Title 3. There is no Title 2, but at Title 3, the belt loading is given at line 11. There was a caution regarding this at the Optimization Action Plan. This provides an indication of how volumetrically full the belt conveyor is. Highly loaded belt conveyors frequently spill in event of surges or poor alignment of either belt or material. The belt loading seen here of 90.7% receives a yellow background signaling this as a possible trouble spot. The program user must determine if this is satisfactory, taking into account conditions at each conveyor. This is Title 4. It might seem redundant to say it, but it helps if your belt conveyor delivers its material to its intended destination. Sloppy data entry resulted in one conveyor missing its intended mark by 50 feet and another by 6 feet. By providing dimensions in several formats, the data of Title 4 helps the user to make sure this doesn't happen